Fabulous, and today I'm going to show you how to make my favorite peanut butter chocolate smoothie. So this is a smoothie that I like to make on a regular basis because A, I really like chocolate, B, I really love peanut butter, and if you can kind of mix it up into a smoothie that tastes really good within like 2 seconds, then I'm totally in. So I have all the ingredients here to basically make the smoothie, so I'll just show you guys quickly exactly what you are going to need. So the first thing you're gonna need is you're gonna need a blender. So this is actually the Magic Bullet with the cup. So today I'm gonna be using the Magic Bullet just because it has a little bit of a smaller cup, and pretty much this is just all you need for today. I do use the NutriBullet actually pretty much every day as well because I like to make my green smoothie. Now if you guys haven't seen my green smoothie, I'll actually put a link above so you guys can totally check that out because I drink that every single day. It is so good. So, what else do you need in the chocolate peanut butter smoothie? So the other thing you need is some milk. So this is some unsweetened almond milk. Now you can use unsweetened cashew milk, you can use regular milk, you can pretty much use like whatever kind of milk that you use on a regular basis. Next thing you need is some protein. So I like to use the LadyBoss Greens because it is vanilla cake flavor. I don't know if you guys can see that. Vanilla cake flavored protein, and it's so good. And it's only 100 calories per scoop, and it's delicious, and it's just my absolute favorite protein shake. So I like to use a scoop of that. The next thing you need is some cocoa. So this is just some no-name brand cocoa. Now this isn't hot chocolate. I know in like other videos people will say, is that hot chocolate? And no, it's not hot chocolate. It's literally just straight up cocoa, just like the plain cocoa that you can just like get in the store. So you need some cocoa. Next thing you need is some peanut butter. Now you do have 2 options for this. So you can use either the regular peanut butter. Now by regular peanut butter, I mean like real peanut butter. And by real peanut butter, I actually mean like pretty much where they take peanuts and they just grind it up and it's actually peanut butter, not the other peanut butter where they put in like icing sugar and all the rest of the crap in there and there's like hardly any peanuts in there. So real peanut butter, or you can actually just use powdered peanut butter. Now, I personally like to use powdered peanut butter just because I just really like the flavor of it. Like the flavor I think is actually better than like the real peanut butter, but the option is actually up to you. Let's start. Who is ready? So we got our blender, we got our cup. We are gonna take some almond milk. So we're gonna add about a cup in there. So about that much. That's good. The next thing you need is some LadyBoss Greens. So you just need 1 scoop of the LadyBoss Greens. So we just need 1 scoop. Cake. Put that in there. Like so. Then we need 1 tablespoon of the cocoa. Let me get out my tablespoon here. So we just need 1 tablespoon. And so this is like no-name brand cocoa, if you guys couldn't tell. 1 tablespoon. Now you guys might be thinking that it's gonna like, because cocoa is a little bit bitter and that 1 tablespoon might seem like a lot, but it's not, it's actually perfect. So just 1 tablespoon. And then, so like I said, I'm gonna be using my powdered peanut butter. So if you guys are using real peanut butter, you can either use 2 tablespoons of the real peanut butter or 2 tablespoons of the powdered peanut butter. And if you guys have not tried powdered peanut butter, you are missing out. And I believe you can get powdered peanut butter. I know I just get it at Walmart, or you can get it on Amazon. There's a few different places that sell it. Put the lid on, shake it up, plug in the blender, blend. And it's done. Okay, it's done. Now for the taste test. Okay, you guys see that? Look how frothy it is. Oh God. The powdered peanut butter, I'm telling you, it makes all the difference. It is so good. You guys are gonna freak out when you try this recipe. It is amazing. If you guys have any questions at all, let me know in the comment section down below. Let me know if you've tried this recipe or whether you like powdered peanut butter or if you've tried it or you just like to use regular peanut butter. Honestly, I just love peanut butter altogether, but the powdered peanut butter I think just has a little bit more flavor. Like I said, you guys are gonna totally freak out when you try this because it's gonna be so good. So I hope you guys have an amazing day. I will talk to you later. Bye.